So next set of words are for BO. Bogus, bolster, bohemian, bolster is a high frequency word. What does bolster means? It's support. Bolster the confidence of students. Bolster the confidence of students. That is to support, to increase, to apprehend the confidence of students. Next is bohemian. Bohemian is unconventional but in artistic way. Not like traditional way, an artistic touch. Bogus is false, not true, fraudulent, deceptive. Bogus remarks about the director. That is false, untrue remarks about the director that must have been claimed. Another is boorish. What is boorish? Boorish is rude, rough. Okay, boorish behavior. Bombastic, bombardment. Bountiful, bourgeois, bovine, and bowdlerize. Okay, here again are few high frequency words. Okay, what is bountiful? It's abundant, generous. Two different meanings. Don't relate both the words. Abundant is something plentiful. And next is generous. Bountiful supply of good food in the kitchen. Good food in the kitchen. That is abundant supply of good food in the kitchen. Bourgeois is middle class. We all belong from bourgeois, that is middle class. Bourgeois family. Bovine. Bovine, this word we call in Hindi is cow. That is plain and simple. Cow-like. Cow-like. Bovine calmness of hers. Calmness of hers. Next is bombardment. Bombardment, as the name suggests, is to attack. Bowdlerize. Bowdlerize is expurgate, censor, that is remove objectionable material. censor. Every edition of his has been Baudelarized. Okay, so these words comes under BO. Do go through these words, practice more sentences so that while you sit in the exam, there would be sentences with almost all the words unknown to you. But continuous practice will make you grab as much as you can.